Hey y'all, it's Laura. So today's video I want to share with you my thoughts on this Garnier Micellar Foaming Cleanser. So if you're interested, then stay tuned. Alright guys, so for the Micellar Foaming Cleanser, it says that it's an all-in-one rinse-off. It says that it gently foams to remove makeup, cleanse, and refresh. It says that it's for the face, lips, and the eyes. First up guys, this does not remove makeup well at all. Now, it did come with this sample of the foaming gel cleanser, and while we're talking about this, they say they're foaming. Guys, to me, this does not foam. This, I agree with the gel. There's no foam. That does not foam. So why foam is in there, I'm not sure. But to me, it's a gel straight. There's no foaming action. Now, as far as performance goes, for me, these, I have to wash my face at least twice, and I still have makeup residue, especially eye makeup. Now, we're not talking waterproof eyeliner or waterproof mascara, just straight mascara, no waterproof. And I still have to wash twice with this, and again, there's still going to be makeup left behind. Now, I'm going to jump here and show you a little bit of how this works for me. I'm going to show you after one wash, after two washes, and that way you can see what you think of these. Packaging on this says to apply this to a damp, wet face, so that's what I'm going to do first. So I've got my face wet. Now I'm going to apply a few pumps to this. As you can see, there's still no foam. Now this is after the first wash. Going back for the second wash, and as you can see, I still have eye makeup on, and there is still some makeup on the face as well. Now if you look at this guys, this is straight gel. I'm smoothing my hands together and there's nothing on this Aveeno. Now to me, this is what foam should look like. Alright guys, so as you saw in that clip, these just do not work for me, and I thought maybe I'm being a little harsh, that this is more cleansing than makeup remover, but when the bottle says removes makeup, then I'm expecting it to remove makeup. So they're going to be a hard pass for me, in my opinion. If you are maybe not wearing makeup and you're just looking for a cleanser, this might work out for you. But if you are looking to incorporate this into your skincare routine, that way you can remove makeup and cleanse at the same time, to me this isn't going to be the product for you, because you're going to have to wash more and you're still going to have stuff left behind. So share with me if you've used these and you've had a different experience. I would love to know, maybe if I'm doing something wrong, but just share your thoughts with me, and I'll see you next time.